It can be a good idea to disable the root login via SSH to add another layer of security to your server. To check the current configuration, you can check the file etc ssh sshd_config and then you look for the line PermitRootLogin. In my case, it's already set to no, so the root login is completely disabled. Quite often this line will be commented out. Then the default option is active, which is prohibit-password, so you can't log in using a password just within public key. Other options are yes and no, and the quite unknown option forced comments only, which is basically just allowing the public key access and only allows certain comments. When you are done editing this file, just save it and back in the terminal type sudo systemctl restart sshd, and now it's not possible anymore to log in as root.